Hey guys, welcome to today's very impromptu video. I had no plans on sitting down and filming today, but I recently got totally schnookered into buying a dress from one of those online Instagram boutiques. You know what I'm talking about. You're just minding your own business, cruising through Instagram, and all of a sudden you get this like ad in your feed, and it's always of this amazing looking piece of clothing. And I saw one pop into my feed from Clithe. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's C-L-I-T-H-E. Their Instagram handle is CLITHEXO, I believe. I don't know. I will link it, or I'll put it like right here. But I saw this dress. It's the Clithe Island Girl mini dress, and I just totally fell in love. Like hook, line, and sinker, I fell in love with this dress. Now, you guys might have seen this popping into your feed. Leave a comment below if you have. But as soon as I saw it, I immediately went to their website, their little Instagram page, and I'm looking at this dress, and I'm doing due diligence, right? I'm reading through reviews. Most of them are glowing, like, this is the most amazing dress ever. Quality's great. There were a couple that were like, no, pass. Someone said it ran small. Someone else said it was sewn improperly. Someone else said it was sheer. But for the most part, the reviews were just absolutely amazing. The other thing I did was I checked the fabrication, because in the photos, it looks like a beautiful cotton, right? Like it looks like a very nicely fabricated garment. And in the description, it even said it is a cotton blend. So I'm thinking, oh, okay, well, cotton blend, we'll see. So here's a screenshot of their Instagram feed, and you can tell, like, they've got really, really cute stuff. I mean, the colors are there, the styles are there, it just looks so enticing. And then the fabrications look like, okay, that looks legit. You know, just scrolling through again, I love the styles of these dresses, and they all look like they're gonna be like really good cotton fabrications. Now, I've bought from online boutiques before. I've done a video on Shein, and it's been like 50-50 on things I've loved, things I've hated, also in terms of the quality. So I decided to take a chance, and to be honest with you, at first I loaded up my cart because Clithe was running this promotion where if you bought 2 dresses, they'd give you 12% off of the sale prices already. And then if you spent $59 or more, you got free shipping. So of course what happened was I put 2 dresses in my cart, and it came to like $58, which is so annoying when that happens. So then I was like, all right, well, I'll add a third. And so I started adding a third, and then I saw a fourth that I liked. And before I knew it, I was up to like $90, and I thought, whoa, like these all look adorable, but I'm just gonna stick with one. I'm gonna eat the shipping. Like, I think it was like $7.99 shipping on this one item, just so I can use it as like a baseline to make sure the quality's there. So I ordered it. It took about 10 days to get here, and when it arrived, I literally just opened up the packaging, pulled it out, and was like, okay. Here's why I was confused when I opened the package, because again, just looking on their website, this dress to me looks like in the photos, okay, this is going to be like a sturdy cotton. It kind of looks like it's almost embroidered. And so I'm going to give you like a close-up of the detailing. Like, it looks like it's going to have nice structure, good quality. I mean, of course, I know it's their photos for the web. Why wouldn't it? But you know, it looks like a really nice dress. It comes in all these punchy, fun colors. And in fact, I was going back and forth trying to figure out what color to get. And at one point, I actually contemplated getting 2. So now, without even trying it on, like, I immediately sent them an email. It's just like, yeah, you know what? I just don't think the quality's there. I'd like to initiate a return. And this was because, again, their return policy states if you're not 100% satisfied, they will gladly return the item. And their response was basically, yeah, if you keep reading that policy, you'll see that we actually only accept returns if there's a defect with the garment, and it's too expensive to ship it back anyway. It's not worth it. So in any event, you know, if you can't beat them, join them. At this point, what else do I have to do but to try it on, which I've not done yet. So I'm gonna try it on. We are actually gonna try it on together. I'm gonna give you my thoughts. We're gonna see how this goes. I mean, part of me is hoping that I just completely fall in love with it despite my first impressions, because I cannot stand being out money for something I am not going to use. I know like some people would be like, what's the big deal? It was only like, you know, $30, $40. Well, it's $30, $40 that I could have spent on something else that I'm going to use, which is why I tend to be hyper vigilant about only buying from places that I feel confident in their return policy. And this one I did, and it turns out, no, I was wrong. So like I said, what else can I do but try it on at this point, which is what we're going to do now. Okay guys, so first impressions, I just put the dress on. I did not look in the mirror yet. There's definitely a chemical smell similar to the one I experience when I buy things from Shein. So that's one thing that's completely gross. But in terms of the sizing, I would agree now with Gal who said this sucker ran small, because as I was putting it on, I could definitely feel like things were being stretched. And you could hear like maybe a thread pop here and there, and it definitely feels tight in the bodice. In fact, it's not even laying properly on the bodice, and it feels tight in the upper arms. So let's go in the mirror and check this bad boy out. Okay, we're both seeing this on at the same time. Let's point out the obvious. Hello. Oh my gosh. This is so... Whoa, this is low cut, sisters. Sorry if this is TMI, but I'm seeing barrage here, and I certainly am not wearing this without a bra, because you would get a full show. That's the first thing that's an issue. Secondly, it is short. It's not obscenely short. Let's see here if we can look from the side. So I've got the coverage in the back. Like, I'm not worried about there being an issue there. It definitely is short though, which I would expect from, this is like a mini baby doll dress. The sleeves, they are tight in the upper arms. It's not terrible. It's definitely not like unbearable. Right here in the bodice, it most certainly is tight. And just for reference, I am a 34C, probably like a BC. So it's not like, you know, I'm Dolly Parton here. I haven't really been blessed with a lot. So this is saying something for the fact that this is tight in the bodice area. Other than that, surprisingly, I'm kind of liking it. I think the idea of it is darling. Like, I get it. And with a nude heel, I think that gives it like a very flirty, sexy edge. But I just noticed, what is this? Look at how it's sewn improperly. Like, the design just, oh my gosh. It doesn't even go straight across in a straight line. It kind of like goes down. Are you seeing that? Like right here? So that's definitely okay. Let's see. Is it just the way I'm standing? No, I mean, it's definitely, I feel like you can see the difference in spacing here versus here. Yeah, it's not a straight line. Okay, like, look how obvious that looks. Oh my gosh. So that's definitely a big no. Gosh dang it. This is a shame, because truth be told, like, now that it's on, it feels good. Like, it's a nice feeling fabric, albeit thin and not what I was expecting. And again, the concept of this dress I think is super cute and fun. The execution is another story. Like, I don't even know what in the world would I wear bra-wise to pull this off. Like, I don't know. Okay, so let's say we're taking care of this issue. What am I doing about this? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, overall, this dress is growing on me. I think that it is flirty enough to be sexy without getting into like overexposure territory, except for, I don't know what to do about this. Like, I've been fussing with the bra, like pushing it down, pulling this together. Like, it looks more concealed. You can't see it as much as you could before. My concern would just be, number one, I'm not gonna go out in public and be like, all night long, especially if you're sitting somewhere eating dinner, you know, and I also don't wanna have a situation where my bra is flapping out for the world to see. So that's definitely something to consider. But, you know, overall, I like the style. I just, you know, again, I think the concept is adorable. I just don't think the execution is there. So I don't know. I don't know if I'd actually be brave enough to wear this out in public, like I said, mainly because of this issue here. So if any of you guys have suggestions, and keep in mind, I can't wear a strapless bra because they never stay up. I can't go without a bra because that's just not happening. So I don't know, do you guys have like a super deep plunge bra that maybe like goes down to here or something? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you would do. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And just so you know, like, I was fiddling around a little bit more with that bodice, and there's not enough material to take it to a tailor and have them like try to bring it in to reduce the amount of Clithe that's showing. So again, let me know your suggestions. Like, how do I fix that? What are my options? What am I missing? Because if I can put this to good use, I'd rather figure out a way to do so than just know that I've lost my money. In any event, again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.